you're comparing Hostinger versus Cloudways, you're probably not a complete beginner anymore. You've already realized that hosting isn't just about getting a website online. It's about performance, management, and how much time you want to spend dealing with technical stuff. And that's where these two platforms are very different. Cloudways is designed for people who want more control over their hosting environment. Developers, agencies, and advanced users often like it because it sits between traditional hosting and managing your own server. Hostinger takes a different approach. It's built for people who want solid performance without spending their time managing infrastructure. You get hosting, security, backups, migration tools, AI features, WordPress tools, and support in a package that's designed to be easy to manage. The real question is this: do you want to manage hosting, or do you want to focus on your website? For many bloggers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, e-commerce businesses, and growing agencies, that's what makes Hostinger attractive. You can spend more time creating content, getting traffic, serving clients, or making sales, and less time worrying about server settings and technical maintenance. Another thing to think about is scale. Many website owners assume they need an advanced hosting setup long before they actually do. In reality, most websites can grow significantly on managed hosting before they ever need a more complex solution. That's why many businesses start with Hostinger and only move to something more specialized if their technical requirements eventually demand it. So here's the simple version. If you want maximum control and don't mind handling more technical decisions, Cloudways can be a strong option. But if you want performance, simplicity, modern tools, and a platform that's easier to manage day to day, Hostinger is often the better fit. So before searching for Hostinger versus Cloudways, check the current offer link below and decide whether you need more control or more simplicity. And if you enjoy finding honest hosting comparisons, software reviews, WordPress tools, SaaS deals, and online business resources, subscribe to the channel. We regularly share practical reviews and verified deals to help you make smarter decisions.